Cadbury DairyMilk, a name that has become synonymous with indulgence and delight. The name alone conjures images of creamy, melt-in-your-mouth chocolate. It's a treat that has been loved by generations, bringing joy to countless people around the world. But have you ever wondered how this iconic treat goes from simple ingredients to the beloved bar we all know and love? The journey of a Cadbury Dairy Milk bar is a fascinating one, filled with meticulous processes and passionate people. Millions of Cadbury Dairy Milk bars are made every single day. Each bar is crafted with care, ensuring that every bite is as delightful as the last. Each bar starts its journey in a factory, but the process really begins much earlier. The story of Cadbury Dairy Milk is one of tradition, innovation, and a commitment to quality. It starts with farmers all over the world who grow the key ingredients. Cocoa beans, sugar, and milk are the essential components that come together to create this delicious treat. These ingredients are sourced from various regions, each contributing to the unique flavor profile of Cadbury Dairy Milk. Let's take a peek behind the factory doors and explore the journey of a Cadbury Dairy Milk bar, from bean to bar. The process involves several stages, from roasting and grinding the cocoa beans to mixing and refining the chocolate. Each step is carefully monitored to ensure the highest quality. Get ready for a delicious adventure. As the chocolate is tempered and molded into bars, it undergoes a series of quality checks. Finally, the bars are wrapped in their iconic purple packaging, ready to be enjoyed by chocolate lovers everywhere. So, next time you savor a piece of Cadbury Dairy Milk, you'll know the incredible journey it has taken to reach you. The journey of a Cadbury Dairy Milk bar starts with sourcing the finest ingredients. It all begins in the lush, tropical regions where cacao trees flourish. Farmers carefully tend to these trees, ensuring they produce the best cacao pods. Cacao beans, the heart of chocolate, are carefully selected from farms across the globe. Each bean is meticulously inspected to ensure it meets the high standards required for Cadbury Dairy Milk. This selection process is crucial, as only the best beans can provide the rich, creamy taste that Cadbury is known for. These beans are grown in tropical climates, where the warm sun and humid air help them thrive. The unique conditions of these regions contribute to the distinct flavor profile of the cacao beans. Farmers work tirelessly, often in challenging conditions, to cultivate these precious beans. Once harvested, the beans are fermented and dried to develop their rich flavor. This process is essential in bringing out the complex notes that make Cadbury Dairy Milk so special. Fermentation allows the beans to develop their characteristic chocolate flavor, while drying ensures they are ready for the next stage of their journey. Milk, another key ingredient, is sourced from local dairies. These dairies are chosen for their commitment to quality and sustainability. The cows are well cared for, grazing on lush pastures to produce the freshest milk. Only the highest quality milk makes the cut for Cadbury Dairy Milk. Rigorous testing ensures that the milk is pure, fresh, and free from any impurities. This dedication to quality is what gives Cadbury Dairy Milk its smooth, creamy texture. Sugar, a crucial component for sweetness, is also sourced and rigorously tested for quality. The sugar used in Cadbury Dairy Milk is derived from the finest sugar cane, harvested at the peak of its sweetness. This ensures that every bite of chocolate is perfectly balanced in flavor. Only the best ingredients will do for this iconic chocolate bar. From the cacao beans to the milk and sugar, every component is chosen with care. This commitment to quality is what has made Cadbury Dairy Milk a beloved treat for generations. The journey from farm to factory is a testament to the dedication and passion that goes into every bar of Cadbury Dairy Milk. Once the ingredients arrive at the factory, the real magic begins. The cacao beans are roasted to perfection, releasing their irresistible aroma. The roasted beans are then ground into a thick paste called chocolate liquor. This liquor is mixed with sugar, milk, and other ingredients in large vats. The mixture is continuously stirred and heated until it transforms into a smooth, velvety chocolate. This process ensures that the ingredients are evenly distributed, creating the perfect Cadbury Dairy Milk flavor. The melted chocolate mixture, now a luscious blend of flavors, is poured into molds. These molds are designed to give the Cadbury Dairy Milk bar its iconic shape. The chocolate is carefully tempered, a process that involves heating and cooling to achieve the perfect snap and shine. Once the chocolate has cooled and hardened in the molds, it's time for the bars to be released. The molds are gently shaken to loosen the chocolate bars. This ensures that the bars retain their perfect shape as they are released. Section 5. Dressing the bars. Now that the chocolate bars are ready, it's time to dress them up. Each bar is carefully wrapped in the signature purple foil. The foil protects the chocolate from air and light, preserving its flavor and freshness. The wrapped bars are then placed into their distinctive cardboard packaging. This packaging features the iconic Cadbury logo and colors, making it instantly recognizable on store shelves. Section 6. Ensuring Cadbury quality. Quality control is of paramount importance throughout the entire production process. At every stage, from ingredient sourcing to packaging, rigorous checks are in place. Trained inspectors examine the chocolate bars for any imperfections. They also conduct taste tests to ensure that the flavor meets the highest standards. Only the best bars earn the right to be called Cadbury Dairy Milk. Section 7. A global love affair. From humble beginnings in a small shop in Birmingham, England, Cadbury Dairy Milk has captured the hearts and taste buds of millions worldwide. Its popularity is a testament to the quality of its ingredients, the dedication to craftsmanship, and the irresistible allure of its creamy, comforting flavor. Whether enjoyed as a simple treat, a gift for a loved one, or an ingredient in a decadent dessert, Cadbury Dairy Milk continues to bring joy to people of all ages. Section 8. Beyond the factory walls. The journey of a Cadbury Dairy Milk bar doesn't end at the factory. It begins a new chapter as it leaves the production line, ready to bring joy to countless individuals. It continues in the hands of consumers around the world who savor its smooth, chocolatey goodness. From bustling cities to quiet countryside, Cadbury Dairy Milk finds its way into the lives of people from all walks of life. Whether enjoyed with a cup of tea, as a midday snack, or as a delightful end to a long day, Cadbury Dairy Milk seamlessly fits into various moments of our daily lives. Or as a special treat, it brings a sense of comfort and happiness. The simple act of unwrapping a bar can evoke childhood memories, celebrations, and shared moments with loved ones. Cadbury Dairy Milk holds a special place in the hearts of many. It's more than just a chocolate bar, it's a symbol of joy, connection, and tradition. So the next time you unwrap a bar of Cadbury Dairy Milk, take a moment to appreciate the journey it has taken. Think about the hands that have crafted it with care and the legacy it carries. Take a moment to appreciate the journey it has taken. From the meticulous selection of the finest ingredients to the precise crafting process, each bar is a labor of love. From the farms where the ingredients are grown, nurtured by dedicated farmers who take pride in their work, ensuring the highest quality cocoa beans are harvested, to the factory where it is made with care, where skilled workers and advanced machinery come together to create the perfect blend of flavors and textures. Each bar is a testament to the enduring appeal of this beloved chocolate. It's a journey of passion, dedication, and a commitment to quality that has been upheld for generations. Cadbury Dairy Milk has a rich history that dates back over a century. Its timeless appeal has made it a favorite across generations, adapting to changing tastes while maintaining its classic charm. Whether it's given as a gift during festive seasons, shared during celebrations, or simply enjoyed as a personal indulgence, Cadbury Dairy Milk continues to create sweet moments in our lives. Its global presence is a testament to its universal appeal. No matter where you are in the world, the familiar taste of Cadbury Dairy Milk brings a sense of home and comfort. So, as you take that first bite, remember the journey from the cocoa farms to your hands. Savor the rich, creamy texture and the delightful taste that has been perfected over the years. Cadbury Dairy Milk is more than just a treat. It's a part of our lives, creating moments of joy and connection. Enjoy every bite, knowing it's made with love and care, just for you.